Hey there, a little interlude for adding a little shortcut because, oh man, it's driving me mad. Zooming in and out of this program monitor is painful, and for the rest of this tutorial, the tutorial after this one, we're going to do a bit of it. So there's a lot of that. If you're like, where's the shortcut? There is no shortcut. Okay, so there's a lot of doing this and trying to figure stuff out. So we're going to add a quick little shortcut. So we're going to go to, on a Mac, Premiere Pro, keyboard shortcuts. Okay, on a PC, it's under Edit, and it's somewhere down here. Okay, keyboard shortcuts. And another little tip while we're in here. Okay, so what I'm looking for is a zoom. I want zoom. Okay, zoom, and you want, not that one. I want the panels, the program monitor. So that's that one on the top right. I want zoom in, zoom out, and zoom to fit. So I'm going to use my number keypad because I think I showed you that earlier. I've got like a little one set up on the side. You can find some other unused shortcut. Okay, so I'm going to click in here. I'm going to hold my... I'm just going to hit plus on my number keypad. Okay, so you can see over there it's been applied. And so that's zoom in, zoom out is going to be minus, and I'm going to use zoom to fit is 0 on my keyboard. Okay, so I'm using those ones. You can find something else. You don't have to, but yeah, you can save your shortcuts. You can send them to other people. Dan, very good. Let's click OK, and let's test them out. Plus, plus, minus, minus. 0 to go back, and you can use the H key to get the hand tool to start moving around, which doesn't work unless you're zoomed in. So yeah, a bit more other Adobe products now. I don't know, just a little interlude. Let's get back to our regular scheduled color correction grading goodness.